I am absolutely terrible at applying screen protectors, but today I need one for my iPad. So I got this cheap pair of screen protectors. I think two, yeah, it says 2-in-1. So I'm assuming there's two. I can't remember the exact listing, but I'm going to see how simple it is to install from the point of view of a dummy, because I am a dummy and I'm terrible at this, as I said. So yeah, let's open this. I'm going to peel this. There we go. Peeling. Okay, it's... Maybe I should just rip it. Okay. Already flopping, guys. Oh no. This is not a good sign. This might be the worst installation ever, so please just see this as entertainment and not a guide, because I am terrible at this. Okay, you know what? Pair of scissors. They are here. I will use the pair of scissors to cut. There we go. Rip it open. There we go. Wow. It's a screen protector. So we have the installation kit and the screen protectors. Thankfully it comes with two because I may mess up. We'll stick with the one for now. Hopefully I get this somewhat decent. Okay. I should probably buy the ones with guides, shouldn't I? Like the ones that have guides, most likely I should buy. But because I'm a cheapskate, I don't. Anyway. Okay, inside we have 3 items. We have the wet wipe, we have the cloth, and the dust absorber. Yay! Okay, let's take the wet wipe. Let's wipe the screen. It's a bit mucky, isn't it? It says wipe it. I'm going to do it with the case because I'm hoping the screen protector works with the case. I mean, it should. Most people use cases on the iPad. Okay, there we go. Wipe it down. Next, the cloth. Or clothing this thing. Okay, this iPad's brand new, so I mean, there shouldn't really be any... I'm knocking everything over. I nearly knocked the tripod over. Okay. That is basically as clean as it gets, but I do see some dust particles, so what do? We get the dust absorber. Yeah. Why do I sound so excited about, you know, a screen protector install? Who knows? Who knows? Okay. Sorry for the planes in the background, but honestly, that's the least of my worries right now. The installation is what's the big issue. I know someone's going to complain about my installation style because I'm terrible at this. I know I am. I'm knocking everything over. Sorry about bumping the camera again. Okay. I think that's as clean as it's going to get. That seems clean. Okay, now for the moment of truth. The installation. Okay, I might stop talking here because I do want to get this right. Okay, so back, taking this off. I'm just going to take this all off. I know someone said not to do that, but I'm going to do it, okay? What you going to do? I don't know why I'm being a rebel now. Okay. I'm getting up because things are now serious. Oh, I see some... Okay, it's fine. Okay, that's not straight. Okay, I probably should get a screen protector with a guide, shouldn't I? Okay, that's as perfect as I'm gonna get. I mean, it's not perfect, I can see it's a bit off, but most crucially, There should not be any bubbles. Right? That'll go, that'll go. Or maybe not. No, it's going, okay. Okay, I somehow got a bubble there. Okay, I will let you guys know if that goes, but if it doesn't, then I guess this is a fail. Okay, most likely I should have bought one with a guide. I mean, this product is so cheap that if you know what you're doing, it should be fine. I'll leave links anyway, but yeah, you probably should buy one with a guide if you're a dummy like me. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya!